bia o bia me ma wakwaba adeba Xposed Jesu onyankopon so enhira wo se wanyamre na wo hwe page kwade ase na me ka cho se share video no obi so nye de ensa enkabi na enra enwumre ene ye de beto ye page so aye tre se ye nua bema Captain Smart a oda onua TV onua maachi show na no enra enwumre be 7 pm eja wakeka na adwen ache Ghana for send wo be kasa mo amunim say bring audio ni ebe post here no say he made an allegation against the president. Say Galamsey no the presidency knows about it and they have a share of whatever is going on in the Galamsey and no enema enra wo kofie bia wo kwakosra ne yere ne ma wo akohwe wenim say wo member e mapon adwuma na me na me be no there be enra kwan so a na BNI aka na ye from BNI ne ye from NIB no ekochi no na omukochi no ene ye tracing the din echi a but after that him say Ghana the echi wa into India prekopa him say ade chi a ehun sem beba Ghana ye be kan na so after few hours ene ye release Captain Smart ye release no so sense and say ye be kan wo bedwem anasi piesuma ni party o social media say ya chi ne no saa so ne say de betu dwa e kire say ye release Captain Smart. Now releasing na ye releasing no and na wo ye video e wo media general onwenim ho na enim won mo na obi akwa bi ye video na ogire mu no ka say omunye hu hwe na ade chi a ombetu ombobole bobo aha no afekura no ma hye ne bufo obeka nsem akasa ebusuanfo mo ma yenkohwe video na ye release Captain Smart.
I think we thank you.
Oh, our pleasure. So we are back. And this is what we got, huh?
Finally, he arrives. Okay.
Obie nu asase so betumi a stop here.
Ajiyame.
Wo ye hwan?
Ajiyame.
E tina wo beti ja. Ala Captain Jeneke.
Oja for I wa kohwe ose ene de obeka na dwen na anopeya mu ene wotena onua maachi ne so ene wo kasa ene wo start say hey na obi anim say ya chi no obi bebisa say de nkwanti ya chi no in the process of the arrest no they ne see here now in the process of the arrest na ya chi Captain Smart na walk on emra walk on na ebia ya chi no no yesi o sifu kem na besen kotena ya ka mu ana se me watch me sifu mi kem mu betena wo ka mu na wie a mo afọ bibi dia be hye mi kem mu aka se me ebia se bi o mi tongo ke eno de bi da ensi da itina nipa na wo twini no otumu se owo 3FM production hono ene o se ne sa nipa na otwika no wonsi ne yetwika no ene o se na nkofo ebantam na bebia na o medu na o mo kono traffic war na Captain Smart nko aye kwakochi ne no na police escort edienim na wo beti wo kan ma ye kache police escort say ai ye friend we are calling you to come to the front and let people know to give space. Na Captain Smart say, hey, when no who say, hey, and me so mupao, and wow, he is a threat to this government. We go to say government, he won't take no, and one can say, who say, hey, Captain Smart, and he's an excellency. Now what take any moon aqua or be and I know a clocky pistol be now a quanical pistol no say now then watch me now what pistol I want Russia pistol. And Obi say, how did you know it's a Russian pistol? Say, share. Uti we are koda. What I say? The first say ye ni army mu ana ye ni bodashi mu just say ye ni mu hwio. Now then na watch me come na metimi dwane. Wa koke pistol it make dwane akwan fa. What are you doing? Then na person watch there. Now draw what say ye chini ye dey call ye baby ye dey call share ye no. Any be sense say what do you want, Captain Smart? And what they say? I don't want anything. One dia won peshe. Bibia wa Ghana bia won pe. All you want that the life of Ghanaians will be in the life of steadiness and the progress. Abayno or say I love this MPP government and especially Akufo-Addo since 2005. And he wanted this man to become president of Ghana. and make sure that with the man's charisma and power, the vigor and the way this man talks, he thinks he was the right person for this country. Now, he has to defend the people. I was so man who said, no, be a yefunti, and I was sponsor, and I was supporting Akufo-Addo. No, people shouldn't think he's against the presidency. Never. And no man, he is a journalist. He has to speak up. He is a TV presenter. He has to speak up for the people and not the government. And you want Juma, and you na said here. What do you say? And you na said here. So be man Kofu who say, "O mine na yetimuno." And no man ko ye. Now when ka semu no what you say? Hwe. E mo mu hye ni bufuo. O mu hye ni bufuo. O mine ya yetimu yi. He has saved Akufo-Addo's life before. Was it Emrebi? They were coming from Chebi. The president, Omupomu Pisa Kembendapa, and Addo say he saved President Nana Akufo-Addo's life. That time he was not a president. He saved his life. Or in the life for 2 Ama Akufo-Addo da. It who are you people? Sometimes not Gabriel Chidako or to treat God him. Maybe a one impossible about the party power. Or Ben my friend of Wusu Bempaya now communication director. Edima NDP ye mame Rollins yiri. Couldn't do my Rollins he. No no crow way on him so about the post MPP mu. What are we trying to do? Said they want to intimidate him. What they are trying to do is rather making him popular. The omo ye no mo sell omo asem. Ebusianfo kasa ne de me mpese bedo sunti. Yenko tie kasa Captain Smart. What kasa what you say? I saved President Akufo-Addo's life. And I am rightful to be the person in the right decision to confront him and talk to him if things are not going well in the government. The Uncle video.
And then come boom to me simfi me cam. Na metna wu cam. I said you want me nya bi da. Wa be pete ne amagu na be ka chem se me to cocaine mu tiri so.
Onua. Ya dwene mu wo. Ojai.
And yes, I tell you the until front one man see Caleb. 3 FM. Oh see ye. Yeah, kwakura traffic na chi.
Ojai.
Ekwen nam ya check Captain Smart nti.
Ojai.
I said, you see, and rather me who said I was more important than the president.
Ojai.
Fellow Ghanaians.
Because they were escorting the president of the land, His Excellency, Blessed Gospel Smart.
Captain Smart, the king of morning shows.
No, be one Captain Smart and Hunyano. I fed a moment presidential escort. They are invited you Okuta Moto and said, we are calling you to come and open up the space. Wow. Wow.
I don't take short and take madness. Ojai.
Now, quarter in chain. Ukuta Russian pistol. Now, why, but come back to ready. And I'm saying, now what's in chain? What's your boss to say, be invite me? Now what for pistol? Now what crock in the preco? And I'm saying, but why are you what? Who could that pistol? Why and come back to ready? What are you saying? I say, how did you know it's a Russian pistol? I'm saying, what quada? What quada? And what clock in the sun and someone from home? Yeah, quahin. The presidency is involved in Galamsey. And now we're interrogating him and say, how can I say presidency is involved in Galamsey? The presidency, what it means is that everybody at the presidency is involved. So the presidency is involved in Galamsey. And I think I am afraid to say that. Who born dog?
Captain Smart, the king of morning.
Now you have to crow him. You have to crow him. You have to crow him. Now niame ko basa. The so-called security apparatus.
Oh, I don't know.
Mo ye dey. Mo na journalist. Me. Komisa kanda pa na bisa adukufo. Bisa je kufo bisa na ado na mu.
Fellow Ghanaians.
That 2006 nyame na saving in life.
Fellow Ghanaians.
Ko wuti sa akukọ bisa no. Bisa je ni ko ni kom chebi ayeba. Then they see wo kwam ho. Awo kunu nim. I saved another's life. Mo jare wo ho. Bisa akufa do na kasa no ka kire wo. Oya na ka cham se ne mama ne yesa me mpo bi anko de ba ko mame. Bisa akufa do. That na gado ati na ko to London or proper gotem.
Wani.
Bisa akufa do na no ka kire wo. Yeah, mo bia njiji mo kom ha o. Minim baby am fi bad minim baby am eko. You guys should shut up.
Smart. The king of morning
Bisa akufa do so who saved his life in 2006? Musia na do am se musa no. Say who saved his life in 2006?
Never did anything like this before.
Captain Smart.
Yeah, baby, what do you want?
Africa is rich and not poor.
And I'm saying, there be Perry. You don't need anything. And I'm saying, no, sir. My responsibility is to make sure that you live. Because I believed in Nanado from 2005. Ask him. That time I sent him a text message. Let me go take FM. This I know. Me wa multimedia gabe o cheda ko ne ken oforiate ya be fa me ko wo mu fie na ben ani ECO opposite no me say na me cancel me do ya said biane lie did you open am say make kwado smart me ndi mu moduane who saved your life who saved you akufado who saved your life what do you know to nchen a na mema 12 obi akuta 2 mo kwa chimwa ya
Bibini ni pao.
won't be in a Ashanti region won't be in Cheno mo me you see Akufo-Addo is the biggest disgrace to our constitution as a president. He is, because listen, the fourth estate of the realm. Say bibim posia. Now when you're comfortable, you don't use the state security apparatus. We are huge disgrace to our constitution as a lawyer who is a president. And you see, and Yamana bassa because a binding who a bottom for crunch, Munti, Obia, it's a journalist, I will come hang di, Obia from me, quite smart to know.
Captain Smart. The king of morning shows.
Now, Pentecost won me.
Who video now? In the latter part until the kind. Or see, he will say it again, and he will say it emphatically today again. The presidency knows about Galamsey. The presidency didn't have a hank of what. The presidency knows about Galamsey. Galamsey first one in a Koku presidency. And confirm what presidency what they know about Galamsey. He is saying it again, and he will say it again. Captain Smart na mo amunhwe chairman to me onipa ya begina TV so I show a whole gold shred ya oye na Galamsey guso koso is he not the person say ya nchi ne kwa ya person that we have to interrogate and I be ko baby ono aka say to mine no na ya hwe say onu de na oturu say Ghana nsu ana we have not done that. Now, on Muna or Cassatia are binding Yoma El Cosono, then they are calling him rather. And then hypocrisy in a Chumyoma Bain and a Ghana for a or no, and the Abachino. Are we jokers in this country? And they are grown yet you are Hanumana. Now I am say BN iPhone and war a human being woman Simon Bayana. Intimidation now more person with my personal. And now the journalists are that the media in the country, you know. And no be your day. You are intimidating him to stop whatever he's doing. Be an afraid. Your farm share on. I'm telling you, you are a public servant. enya Akufo-Addo na di mu hye o eye amampanyi na di mu hye o it is amampanyi fufuro ba mu kan so ono na mu be work under him why in the mamu direction na mu intimidate the people in the country mamu nim say oman na nkoyi oman na enkoyi and the one say Akufo-Addo kran the catcher say he will put his presidency on the line if it takes for him to kick out Galamsey in the country. He said it and he told Ghanaians this. It is so Galamsey in Koya. We have to confront that same person. Say, Papa, when I catch say Galamsey, ube to asia, ne to asia. And the dam is on your faswa because Adiabia we nyam faswa. Whatever it takes for you to kick it out, you will do it. We are rather making Captain Smart popular. You see, from the olden days, Ghana called military regime about Fufrobani Tugo, the overthrow of a constitution and another, whatever it is now, republic, ni benya fourth republic no. Study for Kwame Nkrumah Breso. When you biara, you try say you be intimidating biara. He was rather popular. He rather win the heart of the people, and the people yearn for the person. You are rather making Captain Smart the popular person in the country. You are making us rather to notice the man, because and you can't want to make Captain Smart yachini, and except you are making their station even popular, and there will be a continue in to watch Captain Smart, whatever he have to say again, and then that's also there. You are rather making your party and the government unpopular. Let the journalists do whatever it takes in their position. We remember in schools, they make us know that the media serves as a watchdog to put the government on their toes. They do this for the government. What is all this? Ebusianfo na make catch say Jumeko so ma say na me de Jumedi April enye wo bia say nature film na me sraw say wo nyoma bi na opese udbon de roa fre Xposed na oni ndi kaso bom na ye advertise onyoma ni na ye bon de ro enye den emfa emma na me a me de Jumedi April me de ni lemo elikem kwame ameka obetimi afrem efokent on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter. We are Xposed GH. Now YouTube now Oshe, they catch us share, like it, no be some tea and some. The Busia 4, with the Obesia, Macram.
Mira, the we are in Sway Esifa Bay. Now Adam has sent Sunwin, and then the one for me and shades the pa, their own fraud bill.
Sasani say winty, and I'm in Fradobe. Abraham see the way. Let me jaw what to coin, and I'm a catcher say, Kofan needs roofing system for no matter dying so my and I'll cover quantum for my Tamaquafwa, or my dying so I share, then you.
Now Mira needs roofing system for some walking. A damn pan, a dance from what, Tinchina ching, as I said, one Nasan boy dance from my end. Or Uti, Unim says, he can't wire thing, and I will yadi and swap. I was so yadia, a bit in your chama ye. And unti, and I'm a share will say, Kofan needs roofing system for Nanka, Omaya Jumay. Atia, Nansu Emui, needs roofing system for when Quandia, Ometani needs the Amayan. Enti, a Kobani say, open woodwork, metal trust, rain gutter, red cap, valley, IBR, IDT, DSR, any Piaka home they are, any not Tonsafre needs roofing system company. Yamau free estimation, any free transport, and our friends so, your board down Sumawa, a chaye pa, and it just some needs roofing system company at the Abani say, what the promotion change pan or diaba. Say they, if it's sabre, equisi say, you better bronya bury no. Open needs roofing system company, a catch it, see and cobo down Sumawa. I can't dear out the bow down so pet and I'll bet Tiaka. Near do a chi aqua down swama free. I won't tiare. As I might cast in pattern, needs roofing system for Abbey among Krabatani Bio, Parker so Protua Station, store number 44. I and GRA office in Dinshanimu. A Muntre Mubiano, French roofing system for EWO 0553 817122 Anna 0557 453973. Neat roofing system, Anna. Quality is our hallmark.